My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
My favorite tool? Dremel tool. The first thing I can remember making, I made a chair, like when I was maybe 9. I made a chair out of a satellite dish. No, what's it called? A satellite dish. Yeah, and I made like a base out of bricks. I put up a bunch of bricks, and then I like put the satellite dish on it and like threw pillows on it, and it was awful because you just slid out of it all the time. But it looked cool, and I was really proud of it. I think just getting started is the hardest part. Like I feel like a lot of people really want to make things, but they don't know how to get started, or like you get so ambitious or think that the thing you have to make has to be really good to justify spending time on it. And it's really like you could just set out to make something that's terrible, and that's fine. Like as long as you get some momentum going, then the process just swoops you up. So just make anything, really. It doesn't have to be anything. Make anything, it doesn't have to be anything. Great advice. Thank you. Signing off, Simone.